Hey, beautiful Tuesday. Just got done with a little walk around the park, heading here next to my truck, and it's a pretty little view. Some of the colors still around. It's changing pretty fast. It's still warm, but some trees are going, some trees are not. We still got some just as green as can be. But beautiful day. People, get out, find the things you love to do, enjoy life. Don't let work and politics and anything else bring you down, especially this time of the year with elections coming up. Stay positive, find your passion, do the things you love to do, and get out and enjoy nature in this life that we have. Make it a good one.